Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Luna Pier to 7 miles northeast of General Titchett-Sundberg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Another line of severe thunderstorms is approaching from the west. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, Northwood, Oak Harbor, Genoa, Elmore, Catawba Island, Millbury, Marblehead, Rocky Ridge, Clay Center, and Willistown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ottawa, Ohio.